Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the TypeScript configuration. Okay. What are the first thing? What is TypeScript? In a previous video, in detail, I explained. Once again, you see what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft. So superset means JavaScript features are there and some advanced features also provided for the TypeScript. There's a reason it is more famous. So static typing, object-oriented programming supports like object class, we can go. Compile time errors checking, the early stages we can identify. Better intelligence and code navigation, easier maintenance of large applications. Right? Now, if you want to configure the TypeScript, so what are the prerequisites for that? First thing, VS Code editor. Second one, Node.js. Third one, TypeScript. These are three things are required. First thing, VS Code editor. What is that? VS Code is a code editor. So Java programs to write Eclipse, how we are going to use such a way. JavaScript or TypeScript you want to write, we can go for this editor, VS Code editor. In the one TypeScript code, right? We can write it is, we can edit, compile, and we can able to execute. So we have to go for the VS Code editor, we have to install it is. Second thing, Node.js installation. TypeScript compiler run అవ్వాలంటే Node.js అవసరం. TypeScript compiler run అవ్వాలంటే Node.js అవసరం. Node.js ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే npm node package manager కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది. సో ద TypeScript ప్యాకేజ్ ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే. థర్డ్ వన్ ఐ సెడ్ TypeScript ఇన్స్టాలేషన్. TypeScript గ్లోబల్ గా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయడానికి npm install space -g TypeScript. So TypeScript is going to install to you. Okay, now I will go and explain to you step by step how to go for the installation. Step by step I will explain. So in the notes here in the video description, I will go to provide this complete notes, install configuration, how to do it is. Okay, TypeScript configuration procedure. First I download and install the VS Code editor. So this is the URL I given. Go to this URL. There's a Windows option available now. If you click here, it will be downloads to you. Click here, it will download. So where we are going to get the VS Code installer are going to get. Install file they are going to get. If you click, it will start downloads. Then install. Just to double click on that. So already it is running, it's already open also. That's the reason it's asking that. Just to go for the double click on that. Next you have to do. Okay, that is the first thing you have to do. Download and install the VS Code editor. First, download setup file. Double click on installer file, then follow the installation wizard guidelines. Okay, simple setup it is. Next step, install Node.js. Why Node.js is required? TypeScript compiler run అవ్వాలంటే we should have the Node.js. When you install మనం Node.js ఎప్పుడైతే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తామో npm అంటే నోడ్ ప్యాకేజ్ మీద కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది. సో దీని ద్వారా మనం TypeScript ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయిస్తాం. ఓకే, సో how to download? Again, I given the URL here. If you go to here, there is a Windows installer. Click on that one. It will be installed to you. Small things, it won't take more than 1 minute of time also. If you have the proper network to install it is. Okay. Okay, I removed it. So installation, how to verify it's installed or not here? You can go for the command prompt. If you go for the command prompt, node space -v, which version I have, then npm space -v. Now I think we have 24 version node we have. If the latest one means, okay, like this, we can check. Then I want to create the project folder in a VS Code editor. I want to create a project folder. How we can go for the VS Code editor it is. Now from my desktop, I'm going to open the VS Code editor. Now go to file menu. There is a open folder, new folder, where you want to go for new folder. So enter the file name, TypeScript demo, then select the folder like this. Okay, so create project folder in VS Code editor in order to maintain the code files. So step by step I given my here. Then create a register file called package.json, used to create the package.json file automatically with the default settings for a project. Nice. You can say that register for your project it is. So how we can do it is for register here. Timeline we have to open it is. Go for the view menu, go for timeline. I will go this chart section. Okay, then what is the command for that? npm node package manager space init space -y. Click on run, enter. So it will register your project. So create project, create register file. It's also completed. Now what next is required for us? TypeScript you have to install. How do you install the TypeScript here? Again, go to the same terminal. Here, new terminal taken for easy to visibility purpose. npm node package manager install space -g globally to install TypeScript. Click on enter. Okay. So already installed very fast it done. Otherwise, some other package also installed shows to you. Then I want to verify is it installed or not. TSC space hyphen hyphen version. Click on enter. Which version start showing this. Then last step here, I need to go for the project configuration. With the TypeScript I want to do. Further, what we have to do, tsc hyphen hyphen init. Click on enter. So a new configuration file is available. TypeScript configuration file it is. All the compiler, everything is going to be by default setups are going to be generated to you. Okay. One is package, entire project for registration. For TypeScript configuration for your project, tsconfig.json I am going to use. Now, try to understand in simple. What is the procedure we have to follow? TypeScript configuration. So there are 6 steps. No, step 1. First, download and install VS Code editor where we can write the programs. Step 2. Again, download and install Node.js. How to verify once installed here? To verify and install properly or not, what is the command we have to use? Node space hyphen v command. Same way, npm install అనేది ఎలా తెలుసుకుంటాం command. So we can go for the npm hyphen v versions. It will go on display. 2 steps. Step 3 it is what we have to do. Create the project. Create project folder in VS Code editor. After creating the project folder, what we have to do? We have to register the project. Step 4. To register project. In terminal, the command we have to use npm init space hyphen y we have to give. In terminal, you have to do like this. This is the step 4. Right. Step 6. Step 5. What we have to do? Now I need to install TypeScript. Right. I need to install TypeScript. What is the command for that? npm install -g. Go for TypeScript. To verify version, whether it installed or not, what is the command here? tsc space hyphen hyphen version you can do. Last one. To project configuration as TypeScript. What we have to do? Again, the terminal. So just go for the tsc space hyphen hyphen init. There are 6 steps. Okay. So the notes which I written here, these notes I will go on to provide in the description of this video. Try to use that information for configuration in your system. Okay. If you like this video, so try to subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.